Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the coordinate of a point located somewhere between 2 points on the XY coordinate system. Now here is the example. We're looking for the coordinate of the point P, which is 2/3 of the distance from the point A to the point B. Now the point A has the coordinate 1, 2, and the point B has the coordinate 7, 5. So here is the graph of this problem. This is A and this is B, and between A and B there is a point. So to find this point, we need to find its x coordinate and also its y coordinate. So this problem is similar to the problem we did on the number 9. Now to solve this problem, first we need to construct a right triangle. Now, for this point C, its x coordinate is 7 because B and C, they are on the same vertical line, and its y coordinate is 2 because C and A, they are on the same horizontal line. Okay. And then below this point P, we have point, let's call this point P1. Because P1 is also on this horizontal line, so we can know that the y coordinate of this point P1 is 2, but we don't know what is the x coordinate, but the x coordinate must be the same as this point P. And next to the point P, we have another point. Let's call this point P2. Now we can know what is the x coordinate of this point P2. It's 7 because P2 and P and C, they are on the same vertical line, but we don't know what is the y coordinate. Let's call it y, and these two, the y coordinate of point P2 is the same as the y coordinate of the point P. Now, once we have this graph, you may already know how to do this problem, right? So we just use the method we used for the number 9 twice, and then we can find the coordinate of this point P. So what I mean is, first we determine the coordinate x, because x is located the 2/3 of the distance from 1 and 7. So we can determine x, and the y is located 2/3 of the distance from 2 to 5. So we can determine y. Okay. So let's first find the x. So x is located from 1 to 7. And it's located 2/3 of the distance from 1 to 7. So this is 2, it's 5. Okay, and the y is located 2/3 from 2 to 5. So that's 4. It's 4. So therefore, the coordinate of the point P is 5, 4.